What's up, guys? So I just received this dash cam which I ordered the other day from Amazon, of course, called the Crosstour CR300. It's very cheap to begin with. It cost me $29. It was on sale from $39 to $29. I was like, you know what? Let me just jump on it. See how it is, and let's jump right into it. Usually this one is for people who just don't record too much, dash cam, in the car. Why would you spend, whatever, 800, sorry, my fault, $100 to $200 on a dash cam when you can get, for whatever, $40, usually it was on sale, as I said. So it's an unboxing. So let's see. You get, of course, 1080p, full HD, 170-degree wide angle, 3-inch display, LCD, and motion detection. So, let's see what's in there. Of course, the model number is CR300 resolution. You have both 1080 and 720 pixels, 12 megapixel, 10 megapixel, 8, 5, 3, and all the usual stuff on that. Screen is 3-inch, and it only supports class 10 up to 32 gigabytes. And yeah, that's about it. Nice box. Let's jump right into it. Of course, thank you for choosing Crosstour. Of course, the usual books. And what else is this? Yeah, if you want to, a little support, have any questions, go ahead, email them. I guarantee they're gonna solve the issue for you. Let's go in this little box. If this comes out, all right. Try to figure out. There you go. It's pretty nice for what you get, Oh, that's the camera, of course. It's nice and light. Of course, listen up, guys. I mean, you get what you pay for. Again, I believe this is, it's gonna do the job, and we'll see how it is once I put another video about how this performs. So yeah, check that. Pretty nice looking, pretty lightweight too. Again, I have to remind you, it's $40. So yeah, that's what you get. Of course, the mic and the usual buttons: power, lock, okay, the SD card slot, forward back menu, and USB to connect it to the computer, and the power outlet, so to the car. Let's see what it's what's this. Of course, all the cables. Why is it so tight? Why is it so? All right, there you go. All right, so yeah, it's a car charger. Plugs right in there. There you go. Right in there. Really long cable though. Looks like I believe a 6-foot cable, maybe more. You could tell. What else is in there? Oh, the suction mount. These are usually flimsy, but let's try it out. And yeah, pretty good. Will do the job. Suction mount, of course, and that's for your camera to the computer. There you go. I always they have like 2 suction mounts, 2 different ones. It's always a good touch. Yeah, there you go. That's the car one. I don't know what you want to use that for, but yeah. All right, guys. So that's about it. This is what you get, and of course they're not gonna include the SD card. You gotta buy that separately. So I'm gonna test this out. Of course, it's gonna do a good job. I've read the reviews online on Amazon. You know, pretty great reviews on this. So I'm gonna test it out, and I believe it's got to be good. You know, it's you know, not every expensive stuff's got to be good, as you all know. So 29, 30 bucks, 40 bucks, you know, it can't hurt you. So anyways, guys, so hope you enjoy this, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao for now.